Hi everyone. Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss how you can learn cloud security and secure your career. Okay, so let me start with. Okay, so as you all know that most of you are working maybe as a IT engineer, network engineer, or desktop engineers, right? Technical engineers, network support engineers, knock engineers, whatever you guys are doing. Okay, so I'm just testing my mic if everything is okay. I'm sure the mic is working now. Okay, hi everyone. Okay, so this session is regarding career security and how you can secure your career. So just say I am audible or just type audible in the chat if I'm audible. मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है सभी को प्लीज़ just mention in the chat. All okay. Okay. Okay, great. So now if you see the trend where the trend is going, okay, so we can go to there is a website called Trends Google so that it will show you the history कि market कहाँ पे जा रही है जब भी आपको कुछ देखना है whenever you want to see what is in the trending, so you can always follow trends.google.com and let me share my screen now. Okay. Okay, so this is the trends.google.com, and if I search for cloud security, okay, and if we see in the past worldwide and the past 90 days or maybe past 5 years obviously, so you can see the demand for the cloud security search on Google is increasing day by day. Okay, and when it comes to like 12 months also it is improving, right? And if I search another term called cloud network engineer, तो अगर हम इसको देखें क्लाउड नेटवर्क इंजीनियर, सो क्लाउड नेटवर्क और जस्ट नेटवर्क इंजीनियर बिकॉज कोई लोग सर्च नहीं कर रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, तो बट क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी सर्चेज आर गोइंग हाई in comparison to cloud security. So what I'm trying to say here, that market has taken a big transition. So if I want to apply as a job in network engineer, तो अगर मैं नेटवर्क इंजीनियर की जॉब ढूंढ रहा हूँ, सो क्या हो रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे देखो 12,000 कुछ जॉब्स दिख रही हैं, राइट? बट इफ आई सर्च हेयर लाइक मे बी क्लाउड नेटवर्किंग or maybe cloud network engineer, okay, so you can see the searches are also visible here. So मैं cloud network engineer भी सर्च करूं सिर्फ, तो भी हमारे पास यहाँ पे जॉब्स दिख रही हैं मार्केट में, तो अराउंड 9,000 जॉब्स दिख रही हैं, 9,000 jobs for cloud network engineer. So what is happening, everybody has changed the designation from normal network engineers to cloud network engineers, or maybe if I search for cloud security, so cloud security is also going high day by day. So what should you learn? So whatever you guys are into, suppose you guys are into network field or maybe you are into Windows administrator, कोई भी job में हो अगर अभी आप, okay, so what I recommend you start learning cloud right now, okay, because it's already 2025, so you should not wait for another 2 years 3 years कि cloud में बाद में पढ़ूंगा. Okay, you should start learning cloud because the day by day the jobs are moving into cloud. Okay, so when it comes to any, if I talk about network engineering, so if you see even any company, whether it is a small scale big company, so they have started asking cloud network engineer roles. सो क्लाउड नेटवर्किंग में अगर हम देखें कि what exactly they are asking, so they are asking you to have experience on cloud networking, Palo Alto firewalls, and Azure AWS cloud. Okay, so if you see here, what they are asking more, they are asking you to have normal networking knowledge. So normally you learn this TCP, IP, DNS, DHCP, Active Directory, routing table, BGP, OSPF, VXLAN. So mostly all the topics you learn in CCNA, CCNP. And these topics, when we talk about VPC, load balancer, DNS, VPN, direct connect. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पर क्या मांगा गया है अगर आप देखें दैट यू शुड हैव योर CCNA, CCNP, firewall, SD-WAN, okay, and you should also have now cloud knowledge. So, and this job is not for very 10 years experience. This is for around 4 to 8 years experience. And the best thing that इसमें competition अभी बहुत कम है. In these jobs, you will not see too much competition because you can see in this job only 84 people have applied. But if you go and check any network engineer job, so a lot of people are applying network engineer because they are not upgrading in cloud. तो वो अगर उनको जॉब भी चेंज करनी है तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं कि नॉर्मल नेटवर्क इंजीनियर की जॉब्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर ये चीज़ देखना एक बार ध्यान से आप कि जितनी भी नेटवर्किंग वाली जॉब्स होंगी तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोगों ने अप्लाई किया होगा. ठीक है, वो थोड़ा और डिटेल में आप चेक करना. तो अभी इसका मतलब तो यही है दैट यस डेफिनेटली इन टुडे वर्ल्ड वी हैव टू लर्न क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी, बट वो वेयर टू स्टार्ट लर्निंग. तो अभी कहाँ से हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, फ्रॉम वेयर शुड वी स्टार्ट लर्निंग क्लाउड. सी, first of all, like you can start by learning from our YouTube channel. So you go and check our YouTube videos and search for AWS uh, something. So just type AWS and you will see there is a 12 hours course I'm sharing in the YouTube chat also. Okay, so you can start learning basics of cloud from this video. It has almost 12 hour of AWS content. Okay, so there is no so there is no ads. Okay, there is no ads non-stop. You can learn for 10 to 12 hours and you can mention that yes, I have basic knowledge on AWS cloud. So this video I have already shared in the YouTube chat. So go and watch this in this week. Okay, by this week, this is the target. That if you complete this video, so just after completion in this the same video, so come back to this YouTube live session again and comment that yes, you have completed the course. Okay, so another task that if I want to get into cloud, that understand what I want to become. So if you are already into networking or if you are already into any job, so please go and read job descriptions. So normally what people are doing, they know that okay, there is a demand of cloud networking or cloud network engineers in the market today, but they are not reading job description in detail. So go and check, please go and check the job descriptions, then plan what I want to learn. तो अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे, so there is another job that they are asking you to have OSPF BGP knowledge, but they again asking you to have Azure and AWS both knowledge. They are asking you to have Linux knowledge, Ansible knowledge, Terraform. So obviously you can't prepare 100% for any job. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कभी भी आप 100% सीख लोगे हर चीज़. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट यहाँ पे क्लियरली लिखा है दैट यू शुड हैव CCNP, यू शुड हैव लाइनेक्स एंड यू शुड हैव एज्योर और AWS नेटवर्किंग सर्टिफिकेशन. मतलब AWS नेटवर्किंग में क्या है, if I go and search AWS network certification, so there is a certification called AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialist. So this is the networking certification, but you cannot learn directly AWS Advanced Networking Certification. उससे पहले आपको that you should have AWS Solution Architect knowledge. ठीक है, so in AWS, so if I show you that अगर आपको देखो foundational, this video what I have shared with you, so this video will be able to, you will be able to cover the cloud practitioner program. तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये सीखना है और वो मुझे यूट्यूब से मिल जाएगा, देर आर लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस. ओके, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सॉल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट, राइट, यू विल हैव लॉट ऑफ डाउट्स, यू नीड अ प्रॉपर course, right? AWS Solution Architect. So you can go and learn the associate level, this one, what we call AWS Solution Architect Associate. Then after this, you go and learn about AWS Security Specialist Certification. So हमने यहाँ पर पहले ही बनाया हुआ है that what we recommend you that first go for this certification. सबसे पहले आपने ये करना है. Okay, if I create a page, how to become a cloud security engineer. So this, if you stay with me till the live session, I will share a link with you. Okay. And after that, we'll see. Okay. So ये सबसे पहले आपने करना है. This is the first certification you should aim for. This is what we call AWS Solution Architect Associate. Okay. So सबसे पहले आपने ये करना है. Okay, once you complete this program, then you have to go for AWS Security Certification. So उसके बाद आपने ये करना है AWS Certified Security Specialist. And after this, the last certification I recommend you in the AWS, and I think these three are minimum. Okay, so I'm not giving you more certification कि ये करो ये करो. I'm just giving you the minimum knowledge you should go for. तो आपको, yes, we have all these courses in All Access Pass. So somebody is asking, so we have a program जिसको हम All Access बोलते हैं और उसके अंदर ये सारा कंटेंट होता है. ठीक है. सो अभी ये तीन चीजें आपने पढ़नी है. ओके. सो नाउ द थिंग इज हाउ टू लर्न दिस. दीज आर द थ्री थिंग्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू लर्न. Okay, but if I want to learn in Azure, so this is for AWS. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create two section here. One is for AWS track. Okay, ये notes मैं दूंगा आपको. ठीक है, don't worry. And one is, और लास्ट में शेयर करूंगा आफ्टर द लाइव सेशन. ओके, लाइव सेशन विल बी फॉर नेक्स्ट 20 मिनट्स मोर. ओके, सो 20 मिनट में हम क्लोज कर देंगे इसको. सो दी सर्टिफिकेशन, सो ये AWS के अंदर मैंने डाल दी. ये तीन आपको करनी है. ओके, सो यू शुड एटलीस्ट एम फॉर दी सर्टिफिकेशन. Okay, and in Azure, if I want to learn Microsoft Azure, so then I'll go for Azure certifications. Okay, and then, okay, so where, okay, so IT pros. ओके, सो यहाँ भी देखोगे ना, कोई आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं मिलेगी व्हाट सर्टिफिकेशन शुड आई गो फॉर. सो आई ऑलरेडी नो दैट व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू. सो देन आई रिकमेंड यू यू गो फॉर Azure Administrator. This is called 104. Okay, 104 certification. Even I can write this code also. तो आपने ये सबसे पहले करना है. Okay, in the Azure track, I will go and learn the Azure Administrator Associate 104. And after this, I'll go and learn Azure 500, which is again into security. This is what we call Microsoft Azure Security Technologies. Or I'll add this screenshot. So इसके बाद आपको करना है Microsoft Azure Security. This is the second level. And then in the last, I recommend you 700, and 800 is optional. Okay, so you can go for Azure 700. Okay, so this is the third certification. Okay, so it means if I want to go for AWS, so I have to follow three certification: AWS Solution Architect Associate, and then AWS Security Specialist, then AWS Network Specialist. Okay, and in the Azure track, I will learn Azure 104, which is Administrator. Okay, then Azure 500, that is security track, and then Azure 700, this is network track, okay, or networking track. Okay, so ये minimum मुझे करना ही करना है. And now the thing is, the problem with many of the students right now, that what they are saying, that okay, but the problem is, so now let's talk about your problem. You can mention in the chat what problem you guys are facing. But let me write down problems why we can't learn. Okay, the first problem. So whatever, suppose if you are from network world, okay, so the problem first of all you must be thinking, I'm not good at my own field. Okay, I'm not good at my current current role, in my current role. Okay, so you may be working as a network engineer. So maybe you feel like, suppose you work as a network engineer and you lack in CCNA, CCNP, or firewall knowledge. Okay, or maybe you work as a Windows administrator and you lack in maybe Active Directory configurations, okay, or server policies. So you are not confident enough, right? Or maybe the another problem you might be having, that you are working as a Linux engineer. So let's write, suppose you work as a Linux administrator and you lack in basic Linux commands or in Linux commands. So you must be into any of the problem. तो एक तो ये problem है that whatever I am into right now, I am not good at that particular role. And this is why people don't try another skills. तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि सपोज अगर मैं एक नेटवर्क इंजीनियर हूँ और अगर मैं 10 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे लगता है नेटवर्किंग में ही मुझे बहुत कुछ नहीं आता और इसकी वजह से मैं कभी भी क्लाउड की तरफ जा ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, right? That I am a network engineer or Windows or whatever I am into, but I'm not able to try cloud because I feel like I'm not good at my current role. This is the first problem. Second problem, I don't know the exact path or I don't have a roadmap to follow, and also I don't know about the job roles. तो एक ये प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है, that either you do not have a roadmap. So roadmap I have already shared with you, right? I have already shared with you roadmap. So now this problem is solved. But another problem, I don't know about the job roles. That what should I apply? So very easy. So if you are working as a network engineer, so the job role will be cloud network engineer. If you were working as a IT support engineer, then the job will be cloud support engineer. Okay, if you're working as a Linux engineer, okay, so you can say cloud administrator, or it can be DevOps engineer, because Linux DevOps is related to Linux only. So now you have a roadmap, and now I have already shared the job roles with you. The another problem you might face, okay, I wanted to learn cloud, but I wanted to learn my own job role skills also. It means I wanted to learn networking because that's my job. Suppose maybe I'm working from last 2 3 years only, but if I directly learn cloud, if I apply for cloud network engineer job, so they will ask me the previous or a traditional skills. So if you apply for cloud networking role, so they will definitely ask you, they will ask CCNA, CCNP, firewall questions also. They will ask you cloud questions. This is how the interview goes. So they will again start from very basic. Okay, do you know the basic of OSI model, TCP, IP, DHCP, DNS? Then they might ask you some technical, more CCNP questions, and then they will ask you firewall. Then they might shift to cloud questions. Right. So this is the problem that मुझे करना तो है. I wanted to learn cloud, but again the problem that I'm not good at my current role, और उसकी वजह से मुझे confidence नहीं आ रहा. I'm not able to gain the confidence. But now I wanted to learn cloud, but I wanted to learn my own skills. So it means there should be some combo programs. There should be some courses where you will learn your previous current job role skills, right? So this is why we came up with a solution that is called career security. So we recently launched our new website for, and we have launched some new advanced level programs where you learn your current job role skills and plus prepare for your future role. समझ आ रहा है? तो जहां भी आप जॉब कर रहे हो, सपोज यू आर वर्किंग एज ए नेटवर्क इंजीनियर, सो यू विल लर्न योर नेटवर्क जॉब नेटवर्किंग कोर्सेज, प्लस you will be preparing for your future role, maybe cloud security. So this will give you an extra edge. So let me show you. So what we have created, so we have created careersecurity.com. Okay, so there is a hyphen, guys, in career-security.com. So this is our new platform where people are going to learn the flagship courses for almost 1 year. The minimum course duration will be 1 year because the course is very lengthy and it is 100% live. Okay, where you will be having multiple option. So from cyber to cloud security. So the, like, if you are from network world, I suggest you this program that is called network and cloud security. So this program, if I check here, that it is for the guys who are already into networking from last maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year. That doesn't matter. But this program will prepare you for complete networking plus cloud networking, cloud security. And this is going to be for almost 1 year. And the best part, another problem people had, that I'm not able to repeat my courses. But here you can repeat your live batches multiple times. Okay, कि एक batch, suppose you join this combo and you have done maybe firewall, but you don't understand firewall in one go. So I wanted to learn firewall again and again. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, दैट पॉल तो आपने एक बार करना है, चाहे 4 बार करो, चाहे 10 बार करो, वी डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे you enrolled in one package and I'm sure that you have a zeal to complete it. The another problem, लोग online courses लेते हैं, offline लेते हैं, but उसे पूरा नहीं करते because they feel like if they miss any classes they do not able to cope up. So that's why we are giving you repeat your live batches multiple times, no question asked. Okay, कि कितनी बार भी batch करो, there is no such problem. Okay, so another thing, sometimes, like, I have a language issue. Suppose I wanted to learn in Hindi, or maybe sometimes I wanted to learn in English, right? Or so whatever, if there are any language issues, so there is no problem. So you can do courses in English as well. Hindi courses are also available live, where mostly, like, we will be running English obviously, but there are Hindi options as well. So you can definitely join networking for Hindi, and maybe cloud you can do in English also. So you can do hybrid model also. The biggest problem the biggest problem why we launched career security is mock interviews. If I talk about one major reason, एक single reason why we launched career security, because of this thing that we want to prepare any student for mock interviews. Okay, not in group, mock interviews one to one. It means, suppose you have an interview tomorrow at AWS, suppose, okay, that you learn the courses very well, and then you have an interview at AWS. So if you have any AWS interview or maybe Azure interview, so we will be providing you AWS engineer before your interview, and he will prepare for minimum 1 hour for interview for exclusively for you. मतलब 1 घंटा. Okay, so should we go for cloud or SD-WAN first? Nikhil, this uh, video context, please check the live session. So this is related to cloud security, but yes, SD-WAN is not a big technology like cloud. SD-WAN is a short course, 25-30 hours. So SD-WAN में 25-30 घंटे लगने हैं, 30 घंटे. So you can do SD-WAN in 2 months. But cloud will take 6 months to 8 months minimum. Okay, so I hope now it's clear. It's your choice. If you want as soon as possible, you can go for SD-WAN first and then cloud. So the best thing I told you that we will give you one-to-one mock interviews, and there are total 10 mock-up interviews for a year. मतलब आप 10 बार इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन ले सकते हो 1 साल के प्रोग्राम के अंदर. आई एम श्योर 1 साल में, within 1 year, if you have 10 mock-up interview preparations, and that's more than enough. Okay, more than enough, because I'm sure you will not give more than 10 interviews. And this is all prepared by top level industry experts who are working with top companies. Okay. So we wanted to create a program that some people have interview and they are not able to prepare and then they watch videos. No. तो अगर मेरा कल इंटरव्यू है HCL में या किसी भी कंपनी में, right? So in this program, I just need to contact my team, support team. They will arrange mock interview for me. Okay. So these guys will get a dedicated number. So whenever they have interview, they just inform us 24 hours before, and we will arrange a one-to-one session on Zoom meeting, and that session will be recorded also so that they can repeat this before their interview. Okay, so now again you got the point that the best benefit is that you can attend multiple batches, obviously. Okay, so learn your current job role skills. So जिस भी जॉब में आप हो वो तो सीखोगे ही सीखोगे, but you will prepare for your future role also. Like if suppose if I'm working into basic IT job, okay, but I want to make a career in cyber security. So instead of getting into cyber security, I can get into cyber and cloud security program. So where I will not learn just cloud security, I will also learn ethical hacking, penetration testing, SOC analyst. All these are official like we are official partner of these companies. So you can give EC Council, CompTIA exam, and if you want to give AWS and Azure exams, that we can also arrange if I wanted to crack certification. So इसके अंदर 6 international certifications हैं minimum. Okay, so and then it has almost 200 to 300 hours of live training, because it has more than like almost minimum to minimum 1 year live courses हैं ये. Okay, so hands-on labs will be given and the expert instructors with industry knowledge will be giving to you. तो मेन सिंपल मैं ये बता रहा हूँ. सो इफ यू आस्क मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नेटवर्किंग्स courses and career security, because in networkings you will be given interview preparation knowledge in the group batches, but there is no mock interviews one to one for you from the top level industry expert. So mock interviews one to one by industry experts. So this is the exclusive thing in this. Another benefit, that you can repeat the batches multiple times, because if you join networking's courses, so you can join one batch, and if you have any serious problem, like if we feel like you are a genuine guy, we can give you repeat of that particular batch, or if you inform us that I'm not able to do this job, I'm not able to do this course right now, और तो ये चीज़ होती है नेटवर्किंग्स में अभी भी, बट हेयर नो क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड, देर इज नो क्वेश्चन। अगर आपको 10 बार भी रिपीट करना है, 15 बार भी रिपीट करना है, देर इज नो सच प्रॉब्लम। So because sometimes what happen, some students enroll in our courses. So suppose they joined. So let me give one story. So many of the students they joined CCNA CCNP by watching my videos, but somehow they haven't got my batch. तो कई बच्चों ने क्या किया, CCNA CCNP हमसे किया, बट उनको मेरा बैच नहीं मिला। But if you join these kind of if you join career security program, and suppose you have done course from another trainer and my batch also come, so you can join my batches also. So that's the plus point. So you can, मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि आप बार बार बैचेस रिपीट कर सकते हो करियर सिक्योरिटी में, बिकॉज हमारा गोल ये नहीं है। सो आर गोल इज नॉट जस्ट हेल्प यू फॉर 1 year, because currently we are saying that this is for 1 year, but I'm sure you need us for another 2 3 years. If you are, so अगर आपकी सैलरी, so if you feel like your salary is below 10 lakhs right now, okay, but you wanted to reach 25 lakhs, you wanted to reach 40 lakhs, or you wanted to reach more than that also, so then this is the right platform for you, because it will not just give you a leverage to attend multiple batches, it will also give you all access pass complimentary for this month who will join career security this month. Okay, so we are running an offer. So जिन जो भी लोग career security में आ रहे हैं, we are giving 50 plus courses, videos, all access pass included in this bundle. So why we are giving video courses? So what's the logic? So the logic is, so in career security, so you will attend live batches, right? But what if you have interview next 3 days? तो मान लो मैंने करियर सिक्योरिटी ज्वाइन कर लिया, एंड आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग करियर सिक्योरिटी आई एम डूइंग माई लाइव बैचेस, ओके। सो फॉर ऑब्वियसली द करियर सिक्योरिटी स्टार्टेड फॉर हायर सैलरी पैकेजेस। सो अगर आपका गोल है मुझे 10 लाख तक जाना है सिर्फ, मतलब सपना ही आपका ये है कि मुझे 1 2 साल तक 10 लाख तक जाना है, 10 लाख के पैकेज पे जाना है, तो आप नेटवर्किंग्स के कोर्सेज करो, नो प्रॉब्लम। बट अगर आपका गोल है 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs पैकेजेस, देन द करियर सिक्योरिटी कम्स इन। Okay. So अगर आप already if you are working on 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs package, but your goal is 8 lakhs, or maybe your goal is 10 lakhs, then you can easily go to our current brand, that is networkings. तो आप इसी में join करो, because it again you have similar, you learn from top level expert. Okay. So you have 24 by 7 lab access in networking courses, and in some cyber security and cloud also. You can check with the team. Okay. So another benefit here, you learn from the top level expert, as I mentioned, and you gain, so you understand about interview questions. So if you attend any batch with the networking, so you can easily ask your trainer, sir, give me some tips about interview. They can easily give you the tips, but you have to ask, right? That sir, मैं CCNP में मुझसे इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछ सकते हैं? तो ऐसे ये वाली बेसिक गाइडेंस आप ले सकते हो। ओके, सो यू कैन आस्क अबाउट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस। ओके, so again, these are the benefits. The best benefit is that you are learning from the top level expert. You are getting lab access, all these functionality you are getting, and we have recently tie up with one of the like recruitment agency. Okay, I am also the investor in this company called Engineer Edge. So where we are going to help people to get obviously jobs, and we have created and companies are going to hire from us. Okay, we are going to give them handpicked profiles, and obviously networkings has invested also in Engineer Edge. Okay, so we are starting this in from this month only. Okay, so we have already made 3 4 guys team, and by within 1 month 2 months we will have a team of 20 to 30 guys of Engineer Edge. So what they will do, they will be they will ask you to like upload your resume and all, okay, and then we will be helping you to find your jobs, okay, and we will check like if you lack in any of the skills, we will recommend you to learn, okay, and you can learn from anywhere, but obviously uh, you can learn from networkings and you can learn from career security. ओके सो अब देखो जो नेटवर्किंग्स के बेनिफिट थे, सो बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑल दीज बेनिफिट्स दे आर ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड इन करियर सिक्योरिटी. So just we got, okay, so networkings is for the people who have a goal to reach 10 lakhs or maybe 15 lakhs. Okay, so 10 to 15 lakhs तक मुझे जाना है, तो networkings will help me. There is no such problem. Okay, and if you know, and if you already know that what skills I wanted to get a high packages, then you can do customization and all. Okay, so highly customized. So highly customized means, अब सबसे बड़ी बेनिफिट बताता हूं आपको. Suppose you join this batch called cyber and cloud, but in between the batch, so you said, okay, I don't want to learn AWS, I wanted to learn Azure. So you can do this. तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि मुझे AWS नहीं, मुझे Azure पढ़ना है, देर इज नो सच प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन आस्क अस, वी विल गिव यू Azure बैच. बट जस्ट अगेन थॉट कि आपको लालच आ गया कि मुझे तो दोनों पढ़ने हैं. ओके, नाउ यू सेड दैट आई वांटेड टू लर्न बोथ. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक गाइस, विल वी प्रोवाइड यू बोथ और नो? Yes, if you do not have any problem, the time is not clashing. You can take one weekday batch, one weekend batch. So another benefit here that you can do if courses are not mentioned in your program, तो अगर कोई कोर्स आपके प्रोग्राम के अंदर मेंशन नहीं है, अगर वो हम पढ़ाते हैं, सपोज यू ज्वाइन मी फॉर नेटवर्क ऑटोमेशन, बट जस्ट because network automation start from DevNet, SD-WAN, DevCore, cloud security. But now you said, okay, I wanted to learn Linux. Do you see Linux here? No. But if you ask us, can we give? Yes. Okay, so it means the fee highly customized. You can ask to learn any course with your program. क्योंकि जॉब में कभी भी आपसे ऐसा होगा, आप मुझे खुद बताओ, डू यू थिंक व्हेन यू अप्लाई फॉर जॉब एंड यू विल से सर आई हैव नॉट डन लाइनेक्स बिकॉज आई एम नॉट, आई एम ए नेटवर्किंग गाय, ऐसा एक्सक्यूज दे सकते हो यहाँ पे? बताओ ये क्या कॉम्बो है दैट दे आर आस्किंग यू CCNA, CCNP ऑल्सो, लाइनेक्स सर्टिफिकेशन ऑल्सो, एज्योर ऑल्सो, AWS ऑल्सो. सो हाउ यू विल क्रैक दीज काइंड ऑफ जॉब्स? हाउ you are going to learn this Terraform Ansible because this is part of DevOps. So when you join any networking course or when you join any cloud security course, then it means you have to learn the DevOps also. Okay, cracking nowadays interview job crack करना थोड़ा क्या हो गया है, मुश्किल होते जा रहे हैं because companies are asking too much knowledge यार, too much knowledge. You can see यहाँ पर भी that they are asking you to have firewall knowledge. Okay, they are asking you have to have basic networking knowledge. They are asking now you to have cloud knowledge. They are asking you to have DevOps knowledge. मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करके इसलिए दिखाता हूं यहाँ पे. जी जी, थैंक यू चंद्रशेखर. ओके, तो अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे कि यार मैं क्या पढ़ूं यार, सोचो. स्ट्रॉन्ग अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ फायरवॉल्स. ओके फाइन. आई वॉन्ट, सो नाउ अगेन इफ यू कम डाउन टू करियर सिक्योरिटी, सो नाउ सपोज यू स्टार्टेड लर्निंग नेटवर्क ऑटोमेशन, SD-WAN पढ़ रहे हो और बीच में आपको एक फायरवॉल पढ़ना है. So if you wanted to learn firewall, so you just inform us, oh sir, please add me in Palo Alto batch. We will add you in Palo Alto. But at least you know that, okay, I joined the network automation and cloud security program. But yes, I can join one or two more. Like if I wanted to learn Palo Alto, there is no question. If you join this program, क्या आप मेरा बैच ले सकते हैं? If you join this program, can you take my batches? Yes, if my batch is available, you can join my batch also. तो आपको अब क्या करना है, बस आपने सोचो कि मुझे क्या करना है. That I want to learn network and cloud security. because I wanted to learn CCNA, CCNP firewall, plus I wanted to learn cloud security, then go for this program. But if you already done CCNA, CCNP firewall, I wanted to learn cloud, SD-WAN, network automation, join this program. But at the same time, you can repeat CCNA, CCNP batches also. And the same way go for, suppose you worked in CCNA, CCNP, बट अब मेरा बिल्कुल भी दिल नहीं है कि मैं अब नेटवर्किंग में रहना नहीं चाह रहा हूँ, बिकॉज कई लोगों को ऐसा होता है दैट आई एम ऑलरेडी इन द टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री, आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर सम डिफरेंट फील्ड. So you can try cyber and cloud security because this is the best combo. Because you can prepare for cyber security plus cloud security combo. और कभी मेरे दिल में आता है कि यार, सपोज एक और सबसे अच्छी बात बताता हूँ कि आपने बैच ज्वाइन किया. सपोज you worked as a normal IT guy, but you thought, okay, let me try my career into cyber. But after 1 month, you came to us, or maybe after 2 months, हमारे पास आप आते हो and you said, okay, sir, I don't like this cyber batch. Can you shift me into DevOps? Or maybe you joined DevOps, but you wanted to shift to networking. So you can shift into different batches, shift into different course track. ये फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी आपको, बिकॉज पीपल when they finalize the batch they don't shift people to another batches. तो अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव चीज़ें हमने ऐड करी हैं, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न. करियर सिक्योरिटी विल गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट. Obviously, networking is already giving the best with very affordable pricing. Okay, so we, like, you can do our courses start from 13 to 15,000 rupees. Okay, but yes, career security is not a course, it is a commitment. Daniel, see, if you join network engineer program, okay, in networkings, then you have to additionally pay for Encore batch. Okay, yes, it is. So in our normal network engineer program, so you join CCNA and RC Palo Alto. Okay, but yes, if you need Encore, just with some extra amount, just with like suppose this is 5,000 EMI. So just by paying almost 65 or 7,000, just by paying extra 1,000, 1,500, okay, approximately you will be getting Encore module also. Just to keep the fee very low, we have added only one module, which is very important. Because अगर हम Encore, if we add Encore also and RC also, CCN also, Palo Alto, the fee structure goes high. So that's why we keep our combo affordable so that you can start learning with just 5,000 monthly. Okay, simple है. देखो मैं बताता हूँ, नेटवर्किंग्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट बजट. ओके, इट्स ऑल अबाउट बजट. मैं आपको तीनों चीजें दिखाता हूँ. देखो, सो वन, स्किल्स फॉर एवरीवन. अगर कोई 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख का पैकेज है, जिन जो सिर्फ 2,000 to 2,500, यू कैन जस्ट सेट योर लर्निंग बजट. ओके, इफ माई बजट इज 2,500 monthly, then join skills for everyone. Okay, okay. So because the courses are very affordable, what we have created here. Okay, so if you join here, suppose network engineer program, the cost is just 2,500 rupees monthly. But here, the the difference in networkings and skills. Okay, so in skills for everyone, so learn from industry expert, but not, these guys are not from tier one companies. Okay, means in networkings. So when we say learn from top level expert, it means the trainers are from Cisco, they are from Microsoft. Okay, they are from Juniper Networks, they are from Palo Alto, they are from FortiGate. Okay, so this is when you learn directly from top level expert. तो networkings में ये होता है. एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट करियर सिक्योरिटी के अंदर भी यही होता है हमारे. ठीक है. तो हमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होती थी कि बहुत लोग क्या करते थे, हमारा सेम मॉड्यूल कॉपी करके, सो एंड दे स्टार्टेड सेलिंग इन वेरी लो प्राइजेस बिकॉज दे हैव वेरी नॉर्मल ट्रेनर्स. So again, to make sure we give competitive pricing to everyone, सो वी लॉन्च स्किल फॉर एवरीवन। सो जहां हमने क्या किया कि लर्न फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट, दे आर वर्किंग विद HCL, विप्रो, TCS, ओके, एक्सेंचर। तो यहाँ के ट्रेनर्स होंगे, ये भी अच्छे होंगे। ऐसा नहीं कि आपको यहाँ पे भी हम लोकल ट्रेनर्स दे रहे हैं, दे आर फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री, बट दे आर फ्रॉम नॉर्मल Tier 2 कंपनीज लाइक HCL, विप्रो, TCS, एक्सेंचर काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज। And this is why the fee is very nominal. But when you start learning from top level expert, because they are already getting high salaries, so we have to pay them also to get their timing. So the similar way here, mostly all master programs are around, here it is 2500 EMI. Network Kings has around 5000 EMI monthly. Okay, but in career security, because we are giving you mock interviews, we are preparing you for live batches. Here you can customize your plan, you can customize your labs. Okay, so customize means you will be getting admin access where you will be able to create your own labs. Okay, here you will get lot of labs here, but the only challenge that we have lot of labs, but you can't modify whatever we have created. Okay, तो वो ही आपको मिलेंगी, और ऑलरेडी वी हैव thousands ऑफ लैब्स, यू डू नॉट नीड मच कस्टमाइजेशन। ठीक है, सो ऑलरेडी वी हैव लॉट ऑफ लैब्स, बट फिर भी कई बार क्या होता है, यू कैन सी thousands ऑफ लैब्स इन वन सर्वर. So if you go and explore, this is my CCNA CCNP, so you can see lot of labs are available. Okay, so you can go to, you can see already thousands and thousands of labs are also available. But sometimes I wanted to create my own lab. So this feature we have added in the career security, customize your labs. Okay. So here again, the thing is career security is for the guys who are already like targeting for high salaries. As I said, targeting high salary. Okay. So also, so this package will be starting from 12,999 monthly. Obviously, I know it is on the little higher side, little bit, but again, mock-up interviews, all access pass is included. You can repeat your live batches multiple times. You can change your track anytime. Okay, so there will be resume building after every 3 months. And career guidance session will be after every resume building and career guidance. तो हर 3 महीने के अंदर आपके करियर रिज्यूमे बनाए जाएंगे. एंड इट इज नॉट बाय AI, इट इज व्हेन we will be on Zoom call with you, we will ask you question, and based on that we will be creating your handmade resumes. Okay, handmade resume building, not just with we create with AI and all. सो डेवॉप्स प्रोग्राम, ओके, नाउ दिस इज यू गाइस. सो मैं ये बोलता हूँ, अगर कोई फ्रेशर आता है, स्टार्ट विद स्किल्स फॉर एवरीवन. सो वंस दे रीच 4 or 5 lakh पैकेज, देन दे ज्वाइन नेटवर्किंग्स. when they reach 8 to 10 lakhs package, then get into career security, because targeting high salary packages need a lot of knowledge. if you are targeting 25 to 50 lakhs CTC, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें पढ़नी पड़ेंगी. ओके, दैट्स इट. और मुझे लगता है ये इनिशिएटिव जो हम ले रहे हैं मल्टीपल ब्रांड्स बनाने का रीज़न यही था, सो दैट वी कैन कैटर एवरी वन. ओके, सो स्किल फॉर एवरी वन फॉर फ्रेशर्स, जिनको भी अफोर्डेबल कोर्स करने हैं, कोई भी. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपको मैं बताता हूँ, स्किल्स फॉर एवरी वन में अभी हाल फिलहाल में ही, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, रेड हैट का कोर्स यहाँ पे सिर्फ 6,000 रुपये में पूरा का पूरा लाइव बैच हो जाता है. पूरा का पूरा लाइव बैच हो जाता है. जिसको भी पढ़ना है आराम से जो मर्जी बैच करे. और किसी के पास जॉब नहीं है और वो सोच रहा है कि यार कोई तो जॉब दिलवा दो, मेरे पास पैसे ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो मैं उनको रिकमेंड करता हूँ सिर्फ आप लाइनेक्स पढ़ो. लाइनेक्स में बहुत अच्छा है, अगर आप समझ लो तो लाइनेक्स में बहुत डिमांड है, कहीं ना कहीं आपकी जॉब लग जाएगी. सिंपल इज दैट. तो अगर आप सिर्फ मुझसे एक कोर्स पूछो जो बहुत अफोर्डेबल हो और जिससे मेरी जॉब लग जाए, इफ यू आस्क मी वन पर्टिकुलर कोर्स टू गेट अ जॉब, so join this basic Linux course, around 40 to 50 hours, around 2 months, 3 months program, and this will cost 6,000 rupees only for the complete live batch. Okay, and if I wanted to get it, but अकेले सीखने से जॉब नहीं लगती, मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ सबको. ओके, सो lot of people they do CCNA and then they try to get a job. They don't get job easily with only CCNA. If you wanted to come in networking, अगर नेटवर्किंग में करियर बनाना है, इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ करियर इन नेटवर्किंग, देन मिनिमम टू मिनिमम आई रिकमेंड यू दिस प्रोग्राम, दैट इज CCNA CCNP firewall. Okay, and if I wanted to get into any IT job, Linux is, you feel like it is a small course, you can join the IT engineer career program, which has CCNA CCNP, sorry, CCNA MCSA, window server. 5,000 monthly, Daniel. Basically, what we do, we have tie with the lot of companies who gives no cost EMIs. Okay, so if you have credit card, so we can give you no cost EMI of 5,000 per month. Okay, but if you don't have card, so we have tie with some what we call edtech or education uh, loan companies, kind of. Okay, it's not exactly loan because they are giving no cost EMI, but yes, it's EMI. So there are some portal, if you know, you guys can check. We have partnered with Gyandhan करके एक company है, okay, which is now Unicreds. These are financial companies, and whatever interest they charge, that you do not have to pay to them, because we are taking care of your interest. Okay, so one is 5. Okay, so there are multiple options. If you don't have credit card, still we can help you to build your EMIs. Okay, so in future, maybe next 1 year, 2 year, we can come up with our own EMI solution, but not right now. Okay, तो हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि जिसका जितना बजट है, देखो सिंपल है, फ्रेशर को मैं बोलता ही नहीं करियर सिक्योरिटी में आओ. ट्रस्ट मी, वी आर नॉट ए कंपनी हु फोर्सेस पीपल, ओके गिव अस मोर मनी. नहीं, ये उनके लिए है ही नहीं है. जिसको गाड़ी सीखनी है उसको फरारी नहीं सीखनी भाई, उसको वो शुरू करो नॉर्मल गाड़ी से. दैट इज लाइक, यू कैन स्टार्ट योर करियर विद स्किल्स फॉर एवरीवन इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर. बट इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग एंड यू वांटेड टू लर्न फ्रॉम टॉप लेवल एक्सपर्ट्स, then join networkings. But if your salary is already more than 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs, तो आप करियर सिक्योरिटी की तरफ जाओ. बिकॉज वेन यू हैव 10 lakhs सैलरी, 15 lakhs, सो यू कैन ईजिली अफोर्ड 12-13 हज़ार रुपये मंथली, अब जैसे कैसे मैनेज करो. Because at the end of the day, you are targeting very high salaries, because you will learn cloud security, you will learn DevOps, networking, everything, and you can customize your labs. ओके, द बेस्ट थिंग ना, जो इस यहाँ पे अगर चार्जेस लिए जा रहे हैं, द बेस्ट थिंग अगेन आई एम सेइंग, सपोज यू हैव ओके, एक इमेजिन करो कि तुम्हारा कल इंटरव्यू है. ओके, टुमारो यू हैव एन इंटरव्यू इन HCL, in any company, and just imagine if I come on a call and prepare you for next, like, you whatever you know, it's, you know, right? But what if you already have knowledge, but before going to interview, I come on a Zoom call and I personally guide you how to crack interview. So your chances of cracking an interview will go high, because I'll give you the tips, because I worked for almost 10 years, 12 years, and the same way our top level industry experts has given a lot of interviews. So we know what are going to be the important questions. What should you say? How to negotiate on the salary? So you can ask us anything, and we will prepare you for that for almost 10 times in a year. तो ये फैसिलिटी इस टाइम nobody is providing that. You get a mock interview preparation and with video recordings. Repeat your live batches multiple times. ओके, तो आप अपनी करंट जॉब की स्किल्स तो ले ही रहे हो. ओके, बट यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर फ्यूचर रोल. Okay, so for more information, like whatever, please go and check these portals. Okay, so if I'm interested in career security, I'll be going to this website and will be filling the form. If I am interested in networking courses, okay, so networking courses and skills for everyone. तो जिसको जो करना है यार वो करो, और इनके चैनल भी प्लीज गो एंड ज्वाइन द चैनल्स. because from next time onwards, all the premium videos will be available on our career security channel. Okay, so if you want to see me live next time, ओके सो हर हफ्ते मैं करियर सिक्योरिटी के चैनल पे लाइव आने की कोशिश करूंगा. आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट. प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस करियर सिक्योरिटी. और मैंने पिछले 10-12 साल में कभी बोला भी नहीं किसी को सब्सक्राइब करो, ये करो, वो करो. बट नाउ आई एम जस्ट सेइंग सो दैट यू गैस कैन गाइड. सो अगर आपको बेसिक नॉलेज की प्रॉब्लम है, गो एंड. तो हम कंटेंट भी ऐसे ही बनाने वाले हैं कि अगर बहुत फ्रेशर वाला कंटेंट विल बी ऑन स्किल्स फॉर एवरीवन. Okay, so the advanced content will be on career security, and the average means fresh between fresher and top level expert means the normal content will be in the networkings. Mean normal means जिसमें basic भी होगा और advanced भी होगा. So networkings will be our main channel always. But please go and join the career security and skills for everyone. तो मैं link भेज रहा हूँ chat में. So go and subscribe these channels for your betterment only, because हम यहाँ पर नया कंटेंट डालते रहेंगे जिन लोगों को एक्साइटमेंट है. ओके, that's it for today. I'm sure now you understand that career security is very very important. Okay, and that's why even if you see that we have chosen this right name, because we really really wanted to help you guys. Just you need to help yourself by picking the right program for you, because when you spend a lot of money, and don't, please, just a disclaimer or warning to people, don't join these courses what are getting popular in the market. Triple IT Bangalore, get AI courses, get, or go and do IIT programs online. ओके, मशीन लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स, ये सब फालतू कोर्सेज है, मैं तुम्हें पहले ही बता रहा हूँ. दे विल चार्ज यू 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs, और इनकी कोई डिमांड नहीं है. ये प्रॉपर, इसमें आईआईटी का सिर्फ नाम यूज हो रहा है. इसमें कोई आईआईटी के कोई बहुत टॉप इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट या नासा के इंजीनियर नहीं पढ़ा रहे तुम्हें. ठीक है, तुम पैसे खराब करना चाहते हो तो करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत बेनिफिट होता होगा कि आईआईटी का नाम टैग लग गया. ठीक है, पर वो टैग लेने के लिए 7-8 लाख रुपए लगा दिया और नॉलेज नहीं आई फिर भी. इससे बढ़िया तो एनपी टेल करके इनकी वेबसाइट है ना. अगर आपको बहुत आईआईटी का शौक चढ़ा है तो मैं ये बोलूँगा जाके, ये इनकी वेबसाइट है कोई. ठीक है, तो ये स्वयं gov.government.in करके. तो वो नॉर्मल टीचर से पढ़ना है, कॉलेज वाले ट्रेनरों से पढ़ना है. ठीक है, तो इंडस्ट्री के लोग तो नहीं है, इंडस्ट्री के, ये कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी के अच्छे टीचर हैं. मैं इन्हीं टीचर्स में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट आप एनपी टेल वगैरह वेबसाइट है, एनपी टेल करके सुना होगा आपने. तो यहाँ पे जाके एनपी टेल के कोर्सेज देख लो. अगर आपको आईआईटी करने का दिल हो रहा है ना, और वो आईआईटी की डिग्री की बजाय ना, ये वीडियोस देख लो आप जाके. इसके अंदर काफ़ी कंटेंट है एनपीटेल में. तो यहाँ आप जाओगे एनपीटेल में. सो यहाँ पे सपोज इफ़ आई वांटेड टू लर्न नेटवर्किंग, ठीक है, तो ये नेटवर्किंग हो गया, साइबर सिक्योरिटी के कोर्सेज हो गए. तो ये पर याद रहे कि ये टीचर बहुत अच्छे होंगे डेफिनेटली, बट दे कांट हेल्प यू टू गेट इनटू टॉप लेवल कंपनीज. ठीक है, क्योंकि आईआईटी के टीचर मिल जाने से आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट नहीं बन जाओगे आप. ये कोई पपुन करके कह रहा है दे आर नॉट रिप्लाई योर मैसेज. भाई मैसेज करो, क्यों नहीं रिप्लाई करेंगे आपको. Okay, some student is complaining that they are not picking call. See, our office timing is 9:30 to 6:30. So if you are calling at 11:30 in the night, nobody will pick the call. Okay, so please go to our any website, right, and already यहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप का नंबर दिया हुआ है, यहाँ से आप व्हाट्सएप करके बोल सकते हो कि जो भी आपका इशू है पपुन. ओके, प्लीज मेंशन योर इशू हेयर. एंड इफ यू फाइंड एनी इशू, ओके, एक चीज़ और है कि यू कैन फाइंड मी, यू कैन सेंड मी ईमेल ऑल्सो. सो लेट मी डाउन माई ईमेल आईडी. यहाँ पे अगर किसी को कोई इशू होता है और कोई आपको हेल्प नहीं कर रहा तो मेरी मेल आईडी ले लो, atul@nwkings.com. लो, ओपनली दे रहा हूँ सबको, कि किसी को कभी भी कुछ भी इशू होता है हमारे कोर्सेज में, कुछ भी लगता है तो मेरे ट्रेनर में कोई दिक्कत है, या मुझे कोर्स नहीं समझ आ रहा, कुछ भी ऐसा लगा कभी, और अगर टी पहले कांटेक्ट करना है सपोर्ट को। ओके, सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट इज सपोर्ट टीम। और अगर उनका एक दो दिन में रिप्लाई नहीं आता है तो आप मुझे भी ईमेल कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो दैट्स द थिंग गाइस, एंड प्रॉब्लम्स व्हाई वी कांट लर्न, इसके अंदर मैंने बताया आपको, और हमारे कोर्सेज की और ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन भी आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड। लेट मी क्रिएट अनदर। ओके, सो दैट आर वेबसाइट्स एंड कोर्सेज, ठीक है। तो इस फील्ड के अंदर मैंने ये डाल दिया, एंड दीज नोट्स आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू गाइज राइट अवे। तो प्लीज इसको एक बार आप देख लो। ठीक है गाइज, एंड सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन, जहां हम बात करेंगे कुछ और डेवसेक ऑप्स के बारे में, डेव ऑप्स के बारे में। एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू गाइज कैन पुट डाउन इन द कमेंट ऑफ व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। सो थैंक यू ऑल, गुड नाइट, थैंक्स, बाय बाय।